Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you 6 looks that I'll be wearing this Christmas or to any of my holiday events. So I have 6 outfit ideas. I have them for different types of occasions as well. As you can see, we've also put up all our Christmas decorations around the house, which is super exciting. We have these little like tinsel dressings on all of the doorways, which is super cute. But no need to delay, let's just get into all the beautiful outfits that I've prepared. Okay, so the first 2 outfits of this video are definitely going for a bit more of a casual vibe, starting with this one I have on now. My top is from Leisure Suite and these pants are the cargo pants from Lioness. I've been dying to get my hands on these. They just arrived about a week ago, but they've been on pre-order for a few months. Now, as you can see, most of these outfits are green themed. That's because I don't own a lot of red, and I think staple colors to wear to Christmas events are just to stick to your basic green and red, or just wear plain colors like white, black, or beige, just so you can stay kind of on theme and still come with a little bit of festive flair without having to wear like a Santa shirt. Personally, I love these pants. I actually wore a similar outfit to this to my parents' Christmas party. I'll pop a picture right here. Really, the only thing I did was wear a different shirt. Now for this outfit, I've worn a black tee, so I would pair this outfit with some platform Converse. These are my absolute staples of shoes. I love them. I think the platform's perfect, and this just really adds to the casual vibe of the outfit. As for a bag, I would just take a classic black bag, bringing all the emphasis to your green pants and having a bunch of casual black accessories. This outfit is a super easy formula to follow if you're just going for a cute picnic in the park or some sort of activity where you don't want to be wearing a nice dress but something a bit more casual. You just need some jeans or any sort of basic pant and a little baby tee. Add a pop of green or red in there for a little bit of festive fun, and that's your first outfit. Okay, outfit number 2 is also keeping it super casual. Both these pieces are Princess Polly, so I'm wearing this green satin bustier type top, and then just some shorts. It's actually by the brand The Ragged Priest. This is another outfit that's for if you're doing some sort of activity, like we went and did barefoot bowls. And if you're like me and you live in Australia, Christmas is a very hot time of the year. We are in summer. It is always sweaty, sticky, and hot outside. So you do not want to be layering up. You definitely want to be keeping it nice and skimpy to let as much airflow in as possible because it is just so hot and sticky out there. So another basic formula for an outfit, just your favorite trusty pair of shorts. These are my absolute favorites this summer. I'm a fan of like the bit more of a 3/4 leg rather than a super short short. But chuck on your favorite pair of shorts, chuck on a festive colored top, whether that's red, green, anything like that. It could be any style of top as long as it is festive. I personally would pair this with either my platform Converse or my Air Forces just to keep it as a super comfy sneaker to go about in whatever your activity is, and once again just matching the bag to the color of shoe. So that's it for outfit number 2, another casual, comfy, but still super cute outfit. Okay, outfit number 3 is one of my faves. We're moving on to the bit more classy and dressed up outfits. This was actually my Christmas party outfit from last year. I wore this to all of my Christmas parties, but I bought it after I made my holiday outfits video last year, so it didn't appear in that one. So I thought I would show you guys this year. It is a super cute set. This skirt has like the wraparound tie-up look. I think it's super cute with the little bow. And this top also has the same vibe where it like laces around with this big long ribbon. It's both green satin by the brand Perfect Stranger, so I bought it from Universal Store. And I just think it's such a stunning festive set. You walk in, everyone definitely knows that it's a Christmas vibe, and I think this would be an easy outfit to find for anyone if you wanted to go for something a little bit more classy. It would be so simple and easy to go find a little green set or mini dress to wear to any of your summer Christmas parties. As for shoes, you can go 2 ways. You could either go with a pair of cute little white heels for a bit more of a classy event, or if you wanted to look cute but still dress it down a little, you could go for a classic Air Force One to complete the outfit. But I definitely would go for a white shoe since this is such a light outfit. I definitely think a light shoe is the way to go. And that is outfit number 3. Okay, outfit number 4, we're getting a little bit dressier. This dress is from with Harper Lou. It's also like a set. You can unbutton the skirt from the top and you can wear the pieces separately, or you can wear the skirt on your hips so it's a bit more of a set. So it's a super versatile piece and definitely a great investment. But I chose this one to show you what it would look like if you wore a beige outfit. You're definitely keeping it a bit plain. You could go with the options of accessorizing with red or green accessories to bring the festivity back in. I would just pair it with a basic shoe. If you don't want to stand out at the party but you still want to go and look super cute, I would definitely go just with a neutral color so that way you're not drawing too much attention, but you're still looking super classy and super cute. These are my absolute go-to shoes. They have been all summer. They are way comfier than heels but still give you that heel look, and they're just like a super classic and simple slide. And once again, in matching with the shoe, I would just pair it with the same black bag to match with the black shoes. Overall, I think this is a super simple outfit. You don't have to think anything of it. You can just grab any of your neutral dresses from your wardrobe, chuck it on, matching black shoes, and bam, very simple but effective outfit. Outfit number 5, we are going for full elegance time. This is for if you're going out for a super fancy dinner or any sort of event where you just want to be a bit more sophisticated and classy. This mini dress is from Princess Polly. I think it's the perfect Christmas dress. It's a perfect shade of green that's bringing your festive vibes, and it's just such a stunning cut and color. Since we're definitely going for elegance in this dress, I would just go straight to pairing it with a pair of white heels. And same with the matching white bag, or I don't have a white bag, so I normally just go with beige because close enough. You could also go for a pair of beige heels if you did want to match the bag. This dress, because it also is a light color like I was saying with the satin set before, you should definitely pair it with light accessories. Once again, dresses are always super easy Christmas outfits because you don't have to think of anything to pair it with. You don't have to coordinate the other half of the outfit. All you have to think of is the right color accessories to go with, and bam, you have a super simple but effective outfit. I think a midi dress is definitely the way to go. I could also see this for like a wine tour or any sort of like fancy day event, but definitely full elegance and sophistication in this dress. Okay, and my final outfit, we're definitely channeling white Christmas vibes. This is one of my favorite dresses at the moment. It is so stunning. It's kind of like a knit fabric, and it's from Sabo Skirt. It features a super stunning backless moment, and I just think it's perfect for any of your not super classy, like sit down kind of Christmas parties, but your parties where you're definitely going out and you want to look fancy, but you still want to look super cute, a little bit sexy, add a little bit of spice. It could definitely be like a friendmas outfit. I think white is actually another perfect color for Christmas because it's kind of like white Christmas, like snowflake. I know that's not as much of a thing in Australia because it is literally summer right now, but if you are channeling your winter wonderland Christmas vibes, this is definitely the perfect dress. And to go along with that theme for shoes, I would pair it with these gorgeous gumboots from Bellini. These are some of my favorite shoes. They add such spice to your outfit. They are so cool. I love the chunky soles. I love everything about them. They pair especially well with short dresses like this because they come up to about your knees. So it just leaves a little bit of leg, and they just look absolutely fabulous. And I think if we're definitely thinking winter wonderland, gumboots are the way to go. And once again, because the gumboots are black, I would just pair it with my black handbag. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of my holiday looks for this year. I hope this has inspired you to find your own holiday looks, and if you didn't know what to wear, I've given you plenty of ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down your favorite look of the video. Go over and follow my Instagram as well as my TikTok for more exciting content over there. And I'll see you guys in the next one soon. Bye! You're making me cry.